Congratulations on starting your smile journey with an expander. In this video, we're going to go over how to take care of and live life with expanders. After the expander is put in by the orthodontist, the glue will continue to harden for a few days. During this time, it is important to stay away from any chewy, crunchy, sticky, or hard foods. This includes things like bagels, caramels, candies, nuts, and gum. To keep your expander and teeth clean and healthy, be sure to floss and brush for 2 minutes twice a day. While brushing, use your toothbrush to clean the expander on top of the mouth. Expanders work by completing turns regularly to apply pressure to the teeth. In order to complete each turn, insert the key into the hole in the expander, push the key into the mouth towards the throat, and keep turning until a new hole appears. Finally, pull gently on the key to remove it from the expander. Complete turns before going to bed so you can sleep through any initial discomfort. Each night you complete a turn, make it a routine to brush your teeth, do the turn, then go straight to bed. As your mouth gets used to the expander and things start to move, it may feel sore. To help with this, we recommend taking Tylenol as needed. And that's it. Now you're an expander pro. Always feel free to reach out if you have any additional questions about your expander. Congratulations again on starting your smile journey.